Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove Google account. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section. Here you have to select add account, then select Google. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using this device. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. If you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to disable this, tick here and tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove account, select it here and just tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.